Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Pooja and I make videos related to beauty, makeup and everything in between. So welcome back to the episode 2 of the bridal series, where we will be talking about some must-haves that Indian
bride-to-bees. Bride-to-bees. Bees नहीं
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the episode 2 of the bridal series, where we will be discussing about the emergency kit. So there are 30 essential items that you need to have in your emergency kit if you are bride-to-be. If you want to know what are the products that need to be in your emergency kit if you are bride-to-be, then keep on watching.
Dive straight into the video where we will be discussing about 30 important. ये क्या हुआ? ये 30 कैसे हो सकता है?
So welcome to the part 1 of the emergency kit, where we will be discussing 30 essential products. So I have broken down this video into 2 parts. So here are the important products that go into your emergency kit. Number 1, safety pins. So safety pins हर size की आती है. Make sure you have all the sizes into your emergency kit, whether it is small if you want to just hide or tuck in your dupatta or anything like that. So wherein you can use the smaller ones. Bigger ones if you have a huge lehenga or a big sari, ताकि आपको पिन करने में दिक्कत हो रही है, तो वो छोटे पिन से बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. So you need a larger this size big pin for that. And there are different colors of pins जो आती है. Silver आती है, golden आती है. So you can just buy them according and keep a stock of it. It's like an essential. वो कभी भी useful हो जाती है. It doesn't go for a waste. So just buy and keep them. Number 2, needle and thread. It is very important क्योंकि कभी-कभी क्या होता है, hooks टूट जाते हैं. So needle and thread comes very handy in this kind of a situation. So you get a small sewage kit. You get a small sewing kit online, तो आप वो खरीद सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. Where you get needles and also different colors of threads. So it's very handy. Just keep one needle and thread for sure to tuck in last minute stuff. And also कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि we use needle and thread for tucking in your दुपट्टास. लहंगा पहन रहे हो और दुपट्टा को यहाँ पे टक करना है या यहाँ पे लगाना है, प्लीट्स ठीक से बैठनी चाहिए. So in those cases, instead of using safety pins, sometimes we also end up tucking it with the help of a needle and thread. Number 3, scissors. Very important for cutting any ties or cutting off any threads. So just keep a pair of scissors. So just keep a pair of scissors in your emergency kit, क्योंकि कभी-कभी कुछ काटने में या कुछ खोलने में, even for boxes, it's very handy and it's very essential, जो किसी और चीज़ से नहीं होती. Also, for example, if you are going to put eyelashes, so you need a scissors to cut the size of the eyelashes. If you are getting ready also, मतलब कि किसी छोटे function के लिए, so just keep a pair of scissors in your emergency kit. Number 4, fashion tapes. As you know that these tapes are very helpful. It will keep your fabric in place. तो जैसे कि अगर कुछ move हो रहा है and if you want any fabric to just stay in place, so you just put the fashion tape and put your cloth on top of it and it stays in place. So fashion tapes are a great thing to have in your emergency kit. Number 5, fabric stain remover. You get a small fabric stain remover pen kind of a thing, so you can just purchase that helps in removing stains from the fabric. This is kind of a last minute touch up that you can have in your essential kit, because if in case खाना खाते वक्त कुछ गिर गया हो or during the thing itself, so if you're wearing pastels or whites and very light color stuff, or you get like it stains due to anything, like in Indian culture we have a lot of haldi kumkum जो लग जाता है या कुछ भी लग जाता है for that matter, so it helps in fixing those last minute or these kind of mishaps. Number 6, blotting papers. It's very important to have blotting papers in your essential kit or in your makeup kit. Blotting papers क्या करते हैं? It removes excess oil or shine from your face. So after a while, जब इतना सारा light और focus जो दुल्हन के ऊपर या लोगों के ऊपर गिरता है, उससे face बहुत ही ज़्यादा oily हो जाती है due to also the weather conditions. So you can just have blotting papers in your kit, जिससे कि oil या फिर sweat वो absorb हो जाता है and your face tends to look less oily and shiny, and it's quite helpful. Number 7, very essential, is tissues. Whether it's dry tissue or wet tissue, just keep a pair of tissue box with you for anything, for that matter. जैसे कि आजकल तो habit ही नहीं रही कि that we carry or we have handkerchiefs like our mom did. So we are a lot more of tissue kind of a generation. So keep a box of tissue, whether it is makeup remover wipes or any kind of tissues, you know, like dry tissue, face towel tissue, or anything that you have it, anything that you use for yourself. Number 8, cotton balls or cotton swabs. Very important for wiping off your makeup, removing excess product under the eyes, or removing the eye makeup, or you know, cleaning off anything. अगर eyeliner गलती से कहीं ऐसे फैल गया हो, or lipsticks also for that matter, cotton balls or Q-tips really help in cleaning out the messy stuff that we do while creating makeup sometimes. Or else, you know, some kind of mascara, if anything that happens, you can easily fix these things with the help of cotton ball or Q-tips. Number 9, clear nail polish. In spite of having a lot of colors, or you know, you done your nails, but still keep few nail colors, whether it's clear or whether it is colored ones, just keep few of them with you for the last minute thing. Sometimes nail chip off, sometimes color comes off, or I don't know what kind of a nail extension or the process that you will be using. So if in case you put a normal basic nail paint and if it chips off, so you have a backup of it. So keep your nail polish remover as well as a couple of shades of the nail polish. Number 10. Number 10, nail filing. Sometimes during the work process, जब दुल्हन को ही तो सारा काम करना पड़ता है, कोई और तो शादी में हेल्प नहीं करता.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
तो उसके वजह से कभी-कभी अगर तुम्हारी नाखून कट गई, होना नहीं चाहिए लेकिन हो जाता है अक्सर, you know, due to rush, or if you have got like long nails, there is some unevenness happening due to chipping off of your nails, so you can just fix it. So have a nail filer with you. Number 11, breath mints or mouth fresheners. During weddings, generally tends to happen that if you're a bride or anyone, कि लोग बहुत ही पास आते हैं, or you need to hug someone and all of that. So make sure that you smell always great, like even from your mouth. And ये चीज़ अजीब सी है, even if we are stinking from our mouth, the worst thing is that person will never know this is happening. So always keep mints or any chewing gum or anything in your mouth, or mouth fresheners, so that you know you are staying very delicious. No, you smell very delicious. I mean, you don't stink. I mean, from your mouth. So it's very important to have mouth fresheners, mints during these things, and you just put it in your mouth. Even during the ceremonies, you can just keep it. पुराने लोग तो सौंफ रख लेते थे, long, and all of those things. So those were the traditional stuff. So now we have mints or any kind of chewing stuff. So just keep them handy, and quite good if you are a person who ends up puking and all of during these wedding festivities. Then it's a great thing to have for someone. Number 12. Pain relievers. Like have a set of pain reliefs with you, whether it's like, you know, कि कहीं कमर लचक गई, पाँव में चोट लग गई, you have spray bottles or move fast reliefs, and also some pains related to your head, migraine, headaches. These are some kind of common pains that can arise during a wedding process. So just be ready for these things so that you can tackle them very properly. Number 13, antacid tablets. Oh my god, ये क्या ही बोले, ये हर किसी को नहीं, किसी ना किसी को होता ही है शादी में, that you know you end up becoming very acidic, चाहे वो ज़्यादा दारू पी लिया किसी ने, so it becomes very acidic and a person just falls very sick, partying late night and with improper food and oily food, जो भी हो. Change of food also, change of timing, water, a lot of these things can then also lead to an acidity. So having an antacid is a great thing in form of a bottle, like a syrup, or also like tablets. So whatever is convenient, you can just take that. Number 14, band-aids. Very important. Just if there is some kind of a small cut on your fingers or anywhere you just hurt yourself, so it plays an important role. And also band-aids are very helpful if you are wearing new sandals or new footwear for your wedding day, so you can just put it in those
shoe bite होता है,
shoe bite की जगह पे you can just stick a band-aid and it is just going to help you. It's not going to bite that very hard, or it's going to prevent your skin from getting any rashes due to the new shoe which it does, जो gift हम सबको मिल ही जाता है वैसे. So band-aids are very helpful in that case. And also you know कभी लग ही जाती है किसी ना किसी को चाकू से या सिजर से या कुछ ना कैसे, पता नहीं कैसे ना कैसे कट ही जाता है किसी का कुछ ना कुछ शादियों में. So it's better to have band-aids. Number 15, deodorants or perfumes. Very essential. A lot of brides do forget this. Wear your best perfume on that day because people are going to remember it. There's a long story when it comes to perfumes or deodorants or smell for that matter. You know, you always have to smell great and in place, because I feel that a smell really defines how a person stands out, whether when it comes to personality. Earlier I was not much into smelling good, but now I am, wherein I make sure that I smell really good. I have put some kind of perfume or deodorant on me, or I just carry small bottles also if in case I'm traveling. So I always like to stay fresh, smell fresh. In fact, you know, that is how a person is going to perceive you. Most importantly, before you talk or open your mouth and share your knowledge, जो इतना सारा सालों का ज्ञान है, उसके पहले ही a lot of people do make presumption, or you know, they assume how you are going to be. So smell is also one of them, and it's your day. Like, you know, you just have to smell like a bagicha. Not really like a bagicha, but having some nice, strong, wonderful, feminine smell is a great plus. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. And until then, take care. See you. Bye.